Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019, and you can see the CPU is the Intel Core i9 and the RAM is 16 gigabytes. You can see this storage is 1 terabyte. Oh, okay, you can see the battery cycle count 364, and let me show you the graphics. Okay, you can see the graphics. The VRAM 4 gigabytes. Okay, this is the CPU information, and okay, this keyboard a little bit slightly oily sheen. You can see. Okay, space gray color, no scratches. This speaker grills, no scratches. And let me show you the logo surface. Okay, here you can see the scratches. You can see here a little scratch. Okay, okay, here 2019 16-inch and i9 16 gigabyte 1 terabyte. And you can see the back. Okay, the back you can see here. Here is a little scratch, and here two sticker marks. Okay, two sticker marks. Okay, and then let me show you the soundboard ports. Okay, a little bit of treated our views. You can see this corner. Okay, no bumps in this corner, and this edge also no problem. You can see this corner, no problem. You can see this port, the headphone jack, slightly used. Okay, and here also no problem. Only this scratch and the sticker marks. Okay, and let me show you the 16-inch display. The 16-inch display, and the touch bar function is normal, no problem. And let me change the wallpaper. The gray color. Okay, you can see no problem. The display is okay. Beautiful display. Okay, let me change another color. Okay, dark gray. Also no problem. No problem. Let me change the red color. Also no problem. A beautiful screen. This price is about 3,600, and this is i9 Core i9 16-inch, and here is the charger. This is original charger with this machine. You can see 96 watts. Okay, USB-C power adapter. This is original one. Okay, if you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, you can see the keyboard. No problem with the keyboard. The backlight is okay. Okay, see you in the next video.